I tested 8 video players, and in this video we'll cover my 5 best video players that pride themselves on being the best. So let's get into it. One of the most trusted apps is KMPlayer. The program is for those modern devices because it's full of features. The video player itself has amazing icons we don't find elsewhere. Options like touch controls, equalizer, subtitle downloading, screen sharing, audio sync and video flip are just a few. It has a timer option to shut down the app automatically. Let's get out of the video player. We can crop videos and convert them to MP3. Once it has access, it shows all the device folders on the main interface. The video tab is where we see all the videos. When something's playing and you go back, you can quickly access it from the bottom bar. Another amazing thing is its password secured log folder where you can save your most private videos. KMPlayer is heavy, but it's one-stop solution for multiple things. If you're looking for the most common Android player, VLC is for you. Supporting both video and audio playing, VLC has been downloaded 100 million times. It has also helped me play the most complex formats including MKV. When you look at it, it feels plain, but it does the most basic thing, which is playing videos. It also has Chromecast built in, so when you play a video, it plays it smoothly. Other features include touch controls, video streaming, subtitle selection and downloading, picture-in-picture, category splitting, playlists and more. VLC is my favorite media player on desktop and one of my favorites on Android. If you just care about the quality and nothing else, MPV should be your video player. MPV looks very basic, and yes, it's one of the simplest video players when it comes to features. But MPV's video output is considered one of the best because it uses OpenGL and Vulkan libraries that support over 100 playback quality settings. We also find just a few options in the settings, but those are core video playback features to improve the quality. We can enable the GPU next based on library Placebo, which focuses on hundreds of shaders to offer the best experience. It's a full-on privacy-focused high-quality video player that you should at least try. When we think about video players, we look at big stores, but XPlayer is just as good. I like its video playing interface. It's crowded, but all the options are right here, so you don't have to pause the video or go back to change something. I downloaded subtitles for a video, and it took a few seconds to find and download. Its main interface has an ad at the bottom, but the rest is sleek and easy to find. I tested one of the most complex video formats and the most famous Big Bug Bunny 4K to ensure it could play everything you throw at it. And it worked flawlessly. Of course, we find other basic features including touch controls, casting, pop-up play, playing speed, mute, background play and more. The last video player is XPlayer. It's not the best when it comes to user interface, but it's a popular app with support for almost all video codecs. It shows ads when you open it and when you play videos. Also, there's no video category to see just the videos. You must open the specific folder to find and play. Its video player is fascinating because we find so many options that let us just enjoy the video. It supports touch controls, subtitle downloading, sleep timing, night mode, background play, hardware acceleration and more. A great video player plays any format possible, and those apps were the best in this field. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe below. At last, this is Matsudan, take care.